Okay, I don't know if you can just quite see on these leather patches here on the car seats. There is some sort of jean staining, if you will, just on these seats. So we're going to try and clean that off with some Gliptone Liquid Leather Cleaner. So first things first, we're going to give these leather patches just a wipe over with a damp cloth. You can already see a lot of the blue coming off already, so I don't think we're going to have much problem shifting it. Yeah, it's looking better already. Anyway, we shall continue. See what else we get off. So I'm going to use a dry part of this microfibre. Just going to use a little bit of this, rub this in. Try not to get it all over the rest of the seats. Still a little bit more of blue coming off there. So I think the majority's come off with the water, which is good to see, but let's just see if there's any more we can get off with this this cleaner. So you can agitate with a soft nail brush. So there we got a soft nail brush, and just give that a little tickle. And you have to wait for 5 minutes and then wipe it off with the damp cloth. Okay, we've been about 5 minutes now. I'm just going to try clean side of that cloth. Let's see if we get any more blue appearing. Just a little bit. This is just wet, this is not any staining or anything. There's a little bit of blue come off on there. Just a little bit. But I'm confident we've got that blue staining out. So we'll just leave that to dry for a minute or two. Okay, so I'm just going to put some of the Gliptone Liquid Leather Conditioner on it now. This is a big bottle. You can get smaller bottles. It's just I use this for the settee in the house, so we'll just put a thin coating of that on. And it just gives it a little bit of a sheen, and adds a bit of protection to it. And just soaks in and softens the leather a little. The thing I do find with this leather conditioner is it can get on your chest a little bit. I don't think there's anything untoward in it, but there is something that's some sort of a smell that's given off as it's just drying there, evaporating, that it certainly irritates my chest a little bit. It doesn't bother the wife, but it's just something to be aware of. So you don't need a lot of this. If you do put too much on, it just wipes off just the excess. It's been going absolutely donkey's years, this stuff, for good reason. There we go. So yeah, I was quite pleased that most of that staining came off just with a microfibre with some warm water on it, just a damp microfibre, so that was pleasing to see. But the shampoo just took off a little bit of what was just remaining. Like I said, it was only a little bit, but pleased to see that removed the rest. And hopefully we'll be good to go for another few months. Okay, hope you found that useful.